magic!
Yay! Here we go! We're flying!
Hello, friends. Welcome to our sunny kitchen.
It's a magical day for fun and learning. Magic का दिन आया!
हाँ, देखो कितना मजा आ रहा है. सब मिलके.
Hi, friends. I'm the vinegar bottle. I'm so happy to meet you. Hi there. Hello. Nice to meet you. You too. Let's be friends. Yay, friends! I feel so sad and flat. I wish I had a... Don't be sad. We can help. Yes, we'll make you big and round. Really? Thank you.
Hee, I'm shaking with joy.
I'm opening up happily.
Let's get ready to mix.
I'm vinegar. Let's shake things up. Hi, I'm baking soda. Ready to mix?
Yes. Here we go.
I'm vinegar. So bubbly and fun. I'm baking soda. Let's mix and see.
Pouring slowly. Watch the wind magic.
Hi, Bubbles. Let's pop and fizz. Yay, so much magic. Look, our balloon is growing. So fun. Ready to get bigger? Yes, let's do it. Wow, I'm growing. You're so tall and happy. This is fun.
Wow, this is amazing. Look at all the science. So magical and fun. Yay.
Thanks, vinegar and baking soda. You're welcome, Balloon. We had fun. Bye-bye. Goodbye, friends.
We had so much fun. See you next time.
For more magic science.